And he got hit by a car. You can see here that his wing was damaged in the car accident. He's got some muscle issues with the attachment to the breast. So he's non-releasable. If you can't fly and you're a little owl like this, you're not going to survive very long in the wild. So we take care of him here. He's a wonderful little hunter. He has tremendous hearing. And of course, owls can swivel their head around 270 degrees. So no matter where you put your hand, he could get you if you wanted to. The strongest feet of any bird. So they can actually break bones really easily. He can produce about 200 pounds of pressure per square inch with his feet. And this is Scritch. You guys should come down and visit him. He loves the attention. He loves to be petted. Loves to have his belly rubbed.